the figures, the digits that we are having before the decimal point is 1. 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0, that is the number of digits before the decimal fraction minus 1. That's 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, to get our decimal fraction, we just go to 96. How many figures do we have here? Just 2. So, we just go to 96 under 0. And that's what? 9823. 9823. That is 96 under 0. Not because of this 0, because there's nothing here. So we'll just take it as 0. Just like if you're having 23, we just go to 23 under 0. But here we're having 9.6. We just do as if you don't see this decimal point. It should be 96 under 0, which is 9823. So our final answer is 0.9823. Example number 10. Use mathematical tables to evaluate 2.067 all divided by 0.0348 times 0.538. Now, what we'll be having is we are going to divide. We are going to have 2 columns for now. That is the number. That is our number that we are having here. Then our logarithm value, our log. Now, for our numerator, we have 2.067. We only have 1 digit before the decimal point, so that will be 0. Our characteristics, our integer is 0. Then our mantis, our decimal fraction, that will be 20 under 6, difference 7. You go to table number 1, in your 4-figure table. 20 under 6. 20 under 6 is 31,3139. And difference 7. 20 under 6, difference 7. Our difference 7 is 15. 15. You had 5 plus 9 is 14. That's 4. Plus 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. That's 3154. That's 3154. Now, we are going to divide. Under division, we'll subtract. So, you create another column is equals to 0.3154. I have to clean this. We will have to create another column because it's another operation that we are doing here is equals to. So in this another column, because we are dealing with numerator and denominator separately, our numerator, the answer for our numerator is 0.3154. Now for our denominator, we are having 2 values. That's 0.0348. Then we have 0.538. 3, 8. The numbers of zeros will give us the negative values that we'll be writing here. And we don't just write it as -2, we just write it as bar. We refer to it as bar, either 1 or 2. Here we are having 1, 2. Number of zeros is 2. So that will be bar 2 points. That's our integer. Then for this one also, it is bar 1. We have only 1 0. Now go for our decimal fraction. Now that will be 3, 0, 3. This 34. We neglect all these zeros that come before our whole numbers. So we just neglect them. Now take 34 under 8. 34 under 8. That's 5, 4, 1, 6. 5, 4, 1, 6. Then this one will be 53 under 8. That's 7308. 7308. Mind you, all we are having here is multiplication, and in law 2, that's addition. So we are going to add this. 6 plus 8 is what? Mind this bar 2 is like -2, and this bar 1 is -1. So 6 plus 8 is 14. That's 4. Bring your 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. You write your 2. You bring your 1 here. 1 plus -2 is -1. -1 minus plus -2. 1 plus -3 is -1. -1 plus -1 is -2. So you just write it as bar 2. Now our denominator, you now bring what you are having here, you bring it here. You bring it to the third column. So that will be bar 2 0.2724. Well, now, when we are doing division under law 2, under law 3, that's subtraction. So we now subtract. We're going to subtract here. 4 minus 4, that's 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 7, that's not feasible. So what we just do is just borrow 1 from here. This one will become 2. This one will become 11. 11 minus 7, that's 4. 2 minus 2, that's 0. Now we now have 0 minus 2. That will give us 2. Minus times minus is plus. So that we now have this. We now find the log, anti-log of this. Now go to table number 2. As this you find 0.04. Mind you, on your logarithm table you see under x, that's 0.00, 0.01 till you get to 0.99. So we now look for 0.04 under 3, 0.04 under 3 difference 0, but we don't have any difference at 0. Our difference starts from 1. So what we are having here is 1104 antilog. We take an antilog here. Antilog. Our antilog is antilogarithm of numbers is on table 2, which is equals to, that's 0.04 under 3. 0.04, that's 11104. Now for us to know where we are going to put our decimal points. Mind you, while you are finding the integer for logarithm, we did number of figures, that is number of digits minus 1. Here, to get back the number, it will be this integer plus 1. That will be 3. That will be shifted out decimal point from here 1, 2, 3. So that will be our decimal point will be here. We'll shift it to the right 3 times. And this, which means this, our final answer is 11. This 110.4, which gives us our final answer. Example number 11. Evaluate using logarithm tables. 5.34 times 67.4 divided by 2.7. Here, what we are going to start with is having a 2-column table. That is our number and our log. That is the log value of each number, just as we are having here. That's 5.34. You take the numerator. This numerator, that's what we'll first deal with. Then 67.4. You have to get the integers first. And that's our integer. For us to get the integer, that's the number of digits minus 1. That's 0. This 1, the number of digits before the decimal point. And what we are having here is just 1. And that's 1 minus 1 is 0. Then for 67, that's just 2 digits that we are having. That's 2 minus 1, that's 1. Then we'll now go to our 4-figure table.